Hi everyone, my name is Abel Gray Kantoma. I'm from GREYTEST Card Design Concepts. This is actually my WhatsApp contact. You can reach me on this number or you can call me, okay? These are actually the list of softwares which we have covered on our YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to actually create the earthwork entities, okay? Now to do that, all you need to do, firstly, here I'll come to my corridor. I'll click down here on this plus sign here. If I click down, you can see from here I'm going to click on this and I'll right click and I'll go to the property. Okay, now on the property here, if I click on this down here, you can see I have my datum. Okay, let me just demonstrate this quickly. If I click here, you can see I have a new road corridor, but you can see there is no any sub title to it. So if I click on datum and then I click on plus, you can see it has actually bring out whatever I have here. Exactly, this is what we have here. Okay, I just use this to demonstrate this. I'm going to take this off. This alone is actually okay. I'll come to my boundary here. If I click on this boundary, I will add daylight, which I already have in existence. Once I click on add daylight, you can see it has created another for me. So I'm going to actually take one of these daylight off. I'll click on apply, and then if I click on OK, it's actually going to rebuild this corridor. Okay, if you already like what you're seeing, make sure that you like this video by giving it a thumbs up. Okay, subscribe to this channel, it's actually free. Click on the bell icon so as to always get a notification whenever I post videos. I post videos like this on a weekly, sometimes on a daily, so as to encourage as many that actually want to have a deeper insight of design. Okay, you can go down below the description of this video. You will find a link to this YouTube channel. Okay, you can visit the channel to actually keep yourself busy. We have actually covered a very wide range of design on our YouTube, okay, using 21 different softwares. Okay, we have covered road designs, structural designs, water designs, mechanical and electrical service drawings, and architectural working drawings. They are all available on our YouTube channel. Okay, and then we also teach on our Telegram platform, where we'll give you the software, we'll guide you on how to install it on your system and also how to crack it on your system. Then we train you for 40 days. Okay, this is actually still loading. We have to wait for this to finish loading.
Okay, sorry for that time wasted. Go to analyze. Okay, come to compute materials. Okay, select alignment. This is the only alignment I have on this window. So this is the sample line tool which we have created, if you can remember. Okay, I will come here, switch this to earthworks. Okay, on my existing ground I have my new road surface. On my datum I have my new road corridor. Okay, and then I'll click on OK. So this is actually how to create a material list. You must have created a material list by coming to compute material to create a material list before you can actually create your quantity tables. Okay, it's actually still loading in the background. It can actually take some time. Okay, well, it depends on the configuration of your system. Still loading. Okay. The next thing I'm going to do right now is just to add a table. Okay, so I'm just going to click on one of these my sample lines. Okay, I'll come to where I have this. Okay, so here I'm going to total volume. Okay, my cut and fill, I'm going to just leave it as it is by default. I'll click on OK. I'll just look for somewhere around my window and click, and then it's actually going to create those tables for me. Okay, now you can see this table has been created. Okay, so I'll go to add, and then I'm going to material volume. This for area and volume. I'll click on OK. Material list is not created. Okay. Okay. So while we go further, I'm going to take you through that process. Okay, in the next episode of this video, I'll be taking you through that process deeply. So if you love what you're seeing, make sure that you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Okay, subscribe to this channel. Is actually 100% free. Click on the bell icon so as to get a notification whenever I post videos. I post videos like this on the weekly, sometimes on a daily, to encourage as many that actually want to have a deeper insight of design.